Chapter 3 Polynomials, 9th Standard, Maharashtra Board, SSC. We are starting the practice at 3.1. So you can take your Maths 1 textbook, go to page 39, and I'm not going to write the entire question, so you can see the questions. Okay, तो उधर सब क्वेश्चन लिखा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या लिखा है? State whether the equations, algebraic equations are polynomials or not. Okay, so सबसे पहला इक्वेशन है ये, मैंने ऑलरेडी लिखा है इसमें, तो y plus 1 upon y सबसे पहला इक्वेशन है. So is y plus 1 upon y a polynomial or not? The answer is no. Why no? Because if you see the y, it is in denominator, and which means, see, it is 1 upon y, so which stands for y raised to minus 1, and if you look at minus 1 is not a whole number. Okay, so not a whole number, so that's why this equation is not a polynomial. So let me write the answer for you properly. Since the degree of y is minus 1, no, since degree of y is minus 1, that is why this is not a polynomial. Question number 1, 2. What is the second question, second equation? 2 minus 5 root x. So I have written this 2 minus 5 root x, and the answer is no, it is not a polynomial, because again there is a root x, and if you have root x, the degree is actually 1 upon 2, because if we say square root of a, it is as good as saying a raised to 1 upon 2. And the rule, like in the beginning I mentioned, what is a polynomial? The degree of the variable should be a whole number. So here the degree is not a whole number. 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. See, 1 upon 2 is not a whole number. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, something till 10, 20, whatever. Those are all whole numbers. वो सब whole numbers है, और ये whole number नहीं है, -1 and all. तो यहाँ पे a का exponent क्या है? 1 upon 2, उसका degree है 1 upon 2, तो it is not a whole number. This is not a whole number, and hence that is the reason why 2 minus 5 root x is not a polynomial. So you can take it down. Keep pausing the videos wherever you feel is necessary, and you can take down information. So that is up to you. Question number 1, 3. What is the third question? The equation is x square plus 7x plus 9. Is that a polynomial? Yes, because if you see the degree here is 2, the degree is 1, and both are whole numbers, so yes, it is a polynomial. And when it is a polynomial, we don't need to see what they have said, state whether it is a polynomial or not, and justify. So yes, since degree of x is whole number, that is a justification. Now question number 4. 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. This is the algebraic equation. So is this expression a polynomial or not? No, this is not a polynomial, because we have noticed that there is m raised to minus 2. Minus 2 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. That's it. So no, since degree of m is minus 2, it is not a whole number. Now the last one, fifth one, 10. 10 is a polynomial, yes, because the degree of the variable is a whole number. Now you will say again that there is no variable, it's just 10 is written. So बराबर है, variable तो दिख नहीं रहा अपने को. तो when we don't see any variable, we can assume it to be x raised to 0, and 0 is a whole number, so it is a polynomial, and x raised to 0 is 1. Again, it's a rule, anything raised to 0 is 1. So if there is no variable, you can say that there is a variable with a degree 0. Okay, so इसके लिए वो polynomial हो जाता है. So again, this part 1 was only based on checking if the algebraic expressions are polynomials or not. अलॉन्ग विद जस्टिफिकेशन। तो वो लोग सिर्फ यही देख रहे हैं कि वेरिएबल का डिग्री क्या है। तो वेरिएबल का डिग्री अगर होल नंबर है तो वो पॉलिनॉमियल है, अगर होल नंबर नहीं है तो वो पॉलिनॉमियल नहीं है। और होल नंबर्स क्या रहते हैं, 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड एनी पॉजिटिव नंबर। और होल नंबर्स क्या नहीं रहते हैं, वो -1, -2, हाफ, मतलब फ्रैक्शंस, डेसिमल्स, ये सब होल नंबर नहीं रहता है। तो आई होप तुम लोग को पार्ट 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.1 क्लियर हो गया रहेगा। हम लोग जाते हैं पार्ट 2 की तरफ। ओके, सो टेक दिस डाउन।